Here's what actually happens when you crack your knuckles. Warning, you guys are gonna be shocked. Growing up, your parents probably yelled at you a lot for cracking your knuckles. And you probably listened to them. They probably told you it was really bad for you and you had to stop. But the information I'm about to tell you will shock you. About 30 years ago, a man decided to put this to the test. Donald Unger was a scientist who decided to crack only one of his hands. He did so for 45 years. Dr. Unger would crack his left hand twice a day. He would never crack his right hand. And he did this for over 45 years. After doing this for most of his life, he decided to go to the doctor. And what the radiologist found out about his hands will shock you. If you want to know what happened to Donald Unger's hands, make sure you like and follow for part 2. Also, make sure to check out my Instagram for more cool content like this.